Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make rice with the noodles. So for this, of course, you need rice, you need water, you're going to need sofrito. I'll be posting the recipe for this down in the description box below. Oregano, bouillon, adobo, and complete seasoning, olive oil, and noodles. These are just regular soup noodles. Right now I have the pot on high. So before the pot gets hot, I'm just going to go ahead and crush my noodles with my hand. The amount of noodles is completely up to you. If you want to use more, you can go ahead and add more. Okay, so right now, I'm going to add the oil to the pot, and I'm going to fry the noodles. And we're just going to let this get a little brown. And this turns brown pretty quickly. And I'm going to lower the heat just a little bit. I don't know what it is about this rice, but it's so good. Alright, now I'm gonna add the sofrito. And the bouillon. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And now I'm gonna add the rice. The seasoning. And the water. And now I'm gonna put the heat on medium. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let the rice soak up all the water. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're just gonna mix this up. And the rice has soaked up most of the water. I'm just gonna smooth this out with my spoon and I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil. I'm gonna lower the heat all the way down to low and I'll let this cook for 20 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes and that's it, we're done. Alright guys, I know that this looks weird, but this is so good. I promise. Please try it out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.